Have you been looking to learn Irish, but you haven't a clue where to start? I can tell you now, don't start with this video, because this is Beginner's Ulster Irish with Dan, Lesson 8. Look, if you're new here and you want somewhere to start, click below. You can see the playlist option for Beginner's Ulster Irish, and I'm taking this in small bite-sized chunks that you can go through at your own pace, just one thing at a time. But if you're returning and you followed along, then this is Lesson 8. Yesterday in Lesson 7, we were doing Carbastu. Carbastu. Where are you from? Or Carbastu, Cara. Where are you from it? Well, today we're going to learn about where are you living? Where are you living? So, Cawil tu Idahoney. Cawil tu Idahoney. Talme in Mulhoney. Talme in Mulhoney. In Melfirstja. Talme in Mulhoney in Melfirstja. So that's where are you living? And I live in Belfast. Now, you notice yesterday, whenever we did Carbastu, the answer was, is as Belfirstja me? Is as Belfirstja me? And this answer is Tammy and Mahoney and Melfirstja. We have had to change, because of that we've had to do what's called eclipsing, put an eclipse code in. We are not at the point where I'm going to teach you about eclipse codes. I still have to do a lot of practice on them. So if I'm not ready, you're not ready yet. So we'll do a proper video on that at some point where we go through all the eclipse codes. I will give them on the screen at the end of this lesson, because it is very important that depending on what the first letter of this town or city you come from, you will have to, because of that I changed the first letter. So the trick is, if you change the first letter and put whatever code I give you, take the sound of the second letter and make it disappear. Okay, so for my example, Tommy and Mahoney in Melfirstja, there's no sound for the B. So it's not Belfirstja, it's Melfirstja. But I don't want to get too far in the grammar just yet. Another difference between this, just to make sure that we're aware of why we're doing two different things. So yesterday we were doing where are you from, and today we're doing where are you living. Now, for people here, that may be a normal thing. You would ask people, where do you live? But when you ask someone, where do you live or where you living, that is currently, in this moment, where are you living at? That may be temporary. That's not always permanent. So whenever you're talking about things a bit more permanents that are always there, that's where you're using is start. So like your name, you're not saying Tame, I am, with your name, you're saying is Misha, I'm Dan. So where are you from? Is as Belfirstja me, I'm from Belfast. That's the difference there. And we'll learn a little more about that when we're talking more about feelings, because we'll have a couple more lessons about feelings. So just to wrap this lesson up, the question is, Cawil tu Idahoney. Cawil tu Idahoney. Where are you living? Ta me in Mahoney in Melfirstja. One of the eclipse codes there was for, if it's a D, you're going to put an N. So the example I also gave yesterday for Derry, Dira. So Dira changed to Nura, Nura. Ta me in Mahoney in Nura. You can also say, don't want to make things too complicated, but let's put these two sentences together. So you can say, is as Belfirstja me. So I am from Belfast. Is as Belfirstja me, ac, but Tommy and Mahoney in Nura. So is as Belfirstja me, ac, Tommy and Mahoney in Nura. So I am from Belfast, but I'm living in Derry. That's all for today. Make sure to update your word banks if you have them. I'm going to update mine. And then in another lesson or two, we'll do another revision. We'll go through our whole word bank again and everything that we've learned. If you want to practice though, go back and watch over the videos. Thanks as always, and slán for now.